Hi, this is William from KingmlanLaser in China. It has been close to Chinese New Year. Wishing you all the blessings. In the past year, our machines have been exported to over 50 countries and regions, especially this Y series fiber laser machine. It is widely praised among customers. Compared with other companies, our Y series marking machine have many improvements. The first one, digital vibrating mirror and 19-inch touch screen. The operation is very easy and precise. The second one, industry-grade body prevents corrosion and is more textured. The third one, integrated circuit board design is the first in the industry. It is more reliable and stable. It can continue to work more than 100,000 hours. Thanks for your trust and support. We will continue to improve. Our factory is close to Shanghai, and we can pick you up at the airport. Welcome to KingmlanLaser.